This week on Revv Eats, we're back in my mom's kitchen. And do you smell what we are cooking? Hi everyone, and yes, it's Rene and we are back here in my mom's kitchen for another episode of Revv Eats. And today we'll be cooking two dishes for you. We have luncheon meat cutlets and also luncheon meat stew. Alright, so all those juicy dishes coming your way right here on Revv Eats. And there you go, folks. We've completed those two dishes we talked about, the luncheon meat stew and also the very delicious cutlets. Alright, so what you can do is basically for the cutlets, as what mom kind of mentioned, was you don't actually have to use luncheon meat. You can use tuna. What else can you use? You can use prawns. So yeah, fresh prawns. So in terms of what you can actually put into the cutlets, well, it's basically up to you. But what we're showing you is the luncheon meat cutlets. Okay, and I'll show you real quick the stew as well. Okay, and that's about all the time we have for right here on Revv Eats. I want to thank my mom once again for allowing us to use the kitchen, of course, her excellent cooking skills. And we'll catch you on the next episode of Revv Eats.